Hey guys, welcome back to a whole new video. This is gonna be a super simple recipe for some oven baked chicken wings. It's gonna be super crispy, and this video is part of a collab invited to me by my friend Ben for the hashtag Super Bowl Snacks Challenge. I'm gonna make this recipe really simple for you so you can just throw it in the oven and you just have to check every 15 minutes and you're good to go. You can just get this recipe ready a day before and you can get all your other stuff done while this recipe cooks itself. So let's get started right now. So these aren't going to be traditional buffalo wings. It's going to be buffalo wings with a twist for all my folks out there who like their things spicy. Now don't be afraid, but don't worry. If you don't want things too spicy, don't add the paprika. Now if you want to make just traditional buffalo wings, adding the buffalo sauce at the end without the paprika, you have your buffalo wings. So here I have my wings. I'm having 6 wings. You can always double, triple, quadruple this recipe. So what I'm doing right now, I've lined it on this paper towel on a cutting board. Just get another one. So we simply want to start by patting our wings dry so the seasoning can stick to our wings and really get in there. On either side. So do the same. And now, to make it really simple, so I'm gonna add salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. That's it. Now again, if you don't want it spicy, don't add the paprika. Salt, pepper, you're good to go. And now we just wanna mix all that seasoning so our wings are well coated. There you go, our wings are nicely covered in all our seasoning. Now you put this on a wire rack over a baking sheet just so that our wings do not get soggy by sitting directly on the baking sheet. And if you put it right on the baking tray, then it won't get the crispiness that we want. Now make sure you coat the wire rack and just the wire rack with some spray oils to avoid the wings from sticking. You want to preheat your oven at 400 and you put your wings in, and every 15 minutes you want to turn the wings so it cooks evenly, and you do this at least 3 times or until your wings are nice and crispy. So after 15 minutes, take out your wings and then flip so we can evenly cook and crisp all sides. That's looking beautiful. So as simple as that, 15 minutes, you flip it. Now back for another 15 minutes. The seasonings are gonna get really well roasted, and when you add in that final barbecue sauce blended with the butter, it's gonna combine with this roasted paprika and create this really delicious dark orange spicy sauce, which I absolutely loved. We're gonna prepare our buffalo sauce for our wings. The wings are almost ready. I flipped it 3 times now. It's gonna be cooking for about 1 hour or until when you scrape a fork along it, it sounds super crispy. So in this pan, add in some of that hot buffalo sauce, and then add in a tablespoon of butter. You can let this blend really nicely. These are super simple, super creamy, spicy buffalo sauce. Now let's wait for our wings to get ready and let this stay warm. So you can see it's super well cooked. Those spices are really in there, cooked with it. Just listen to this. It's super nice and crispy. So just add in all your sauce. Now give these wings a toss. You can also use tongs to really get that sauce into your wings. Now if you want wings that are less hotter, just don't add the paprika. The paprika is going to bring its own warm, sweet spiciness. You can tell by the color that these are going to be some spicy wings. So I'm going to serve these with my delicious homemade fries. You can get the recipe if you click on the link on the top right. Just put these wings. Ooh, they look spicy. I'm going to pour the rest of that hot paprika sauce. Now these spicy wings deserve a bite on camera. So let's get started. That's great. Let's dip it in some blue cheese dressing. You're gonna love this on game day. It's so good. I love that paprika in there. It's adding a lot of spice. Don't add it if you don't like spice. So I hope you guys liked the video. This was super fun to make. Super easy. I was just babysitting it. Every 15 minutes, that's all it needs. If you guys like this video, let me know in the comments down below. And make sure to look up all the other awesome recipes under the hashtag Super Bowl Snack Challenge. If you want to see more awesome videos just like this, be sure to subscribe. And don't forget to check out my website at www.cookingwithanadi.com. And you can also follow all my social media links down below. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one.